Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 15th July 2024. App-based mobility providers such as Uber have approached the Finance Ministry, Goods and Service Tax Council, and the Authority for Advanced Rulings or AAR seeking clarification on whether their business was liable to tax or not. The move follows a decision from the Karnataka AAR that held that Bengaluru-based direct-to-driver app Namma Yatri was not liable to pay GST. The AAR, in the case of Juspay Technologies that runs the Namma Yatri mobility platform, relied upon the dictionary meaning of the word through and held that the mere act of linking service providers with customers through a digital platform did not constitute a supply of service and thus not liable to tax. The government is working towards a strategy to tackle non-tariff barriers faced by exporters by setting up a committee and launching a portal. Typically, non-tariff barriers take several years to resolve. The development comes at a time when India is negotiating free trade agreements with several developed economies where non-tariff measures related to environment and sustainability have become a cause for concern for Indian exporters. The big five audit firms in India are facing a talent crunch. A regulatory clampdown and a higher number of relatively safer career opportunities elsewhere are pulling chartered accountants away from the audit profession. The auditing verticals in top firms are operating with 20% lower staff than the required strength. At present, the top five firms have around 12,500 people in their audit function. The Institute of Chartered Accountant of India's Centre for Audit Quality proposes to bring out version 2 of the Audit Quality Maturity Model. The same was considered by the Council at its 432nd meeting and as decided, the same is being issued for public comments. The Audit Quality Maturity Model is a cross-functional evaluation model developed with an objective to enable the audit firms to evaluate their current level of audit maturity and also identify areas where competencies need to be strengthened.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.